6 years after the attempt on President Reagan's life, a balloon pop went off in the crowd of what was then called West Berlin during a 1987 speech. Let's take a look at President Reagan's response in what's now known as the balloon pop speech.
We're reminded of the many traditions of openness and democracy that have marked the history of this city. Missed me.